How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here, and today we're going to take you through the 2024 Cruisers 46 Cantius. Starting in the transom of the boat, you've got a ton of storage back here for fenders, dock lines, of course your Kenyan grill, and underneath there a refrigerator. Coming into the boat, starboard side, you'll immediately notice this big L-shaped settee. You'll notice the high gloss, beautiful teak table, an ice maker. Coming into the salon, you'll notice the pocket doors open up the whole salon slash helm area into the cockpit. Coming in, starboard side, you'll have dual fridges, port side galley, of course your convection microwave, 2-burner stovetop, freshwater sink. Just in front of that, you'll notice a raised settee. That table does go down and fills in so you can make another berth area. Starboard side, really nicely appointed helm, acrylic dash, dual Garmin screens. Of course, your variable joystick control, double wide helm seat with bolster, opening windows both port and starboard, as well as an opening sunroof. Coming down the stairs, immediately on your starboard side, you're going to have your guest slash day head. On the port side, coming in, you're going to have a full master aft. Whole side windows, nice lounge on the port side. Combo unit, washer dryer built in here. As you come out of the master stateroom forward, you're going to have your forward VIP stateroom, your own air conditioning, temperature thermostat, flat screen TV, full size berth, and again, lots of storage in here. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the 2024 Cruisers 46 Cantius here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com.